Hi, I'm Toto. Welcome back to the Toto channel. Are you ready for another adventure? Let's start. Yellow color,
It's Toto time.
orange color,
It's Toto time.
red
Play
color,
and learn with colors that shine. With Play-Doh, pom-poms,
green
so
color.
bright. We count and shape from left to right.
Wow.
Push the buttons, stack the cubes, spin the
One,
tubes and make some moves.
2,
Numbers dance,
3,
colors glow.
4,
Imagination
5,
starts to grow.
6,
Blue, green,
7, 8, 9. Let's keep going.
1, 2, 3, let's count it.
Let's tighten the seatbelt.
We learn every day. Learn through play, laugh, and explore.
And now, let's bottom these bottoms.
Build much more. Toto brings joy and creativity. Every
Great
day's a new
job.
discovery.
Yeah. Blue color, light blue color. Wow. Yellow color, red color. Yeah, great job. Now let's have fun with this crocodile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow! Yay! Oh, it's empty. Do you know how to tie your shoes? Come here, I show you. Easy peasy. Very good. Don't worry if it doesn't work the first time. Keep trying and practicing. Light blue color. Yellow color. I love the zip. Yay! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, one last game. Red light.
Green and yellow. Every shape is fun and mellow. 1, 2, 3, let's count it.
Yellow light.
With Toto we learn every day. Learn through play, laugh, and explore.
Green light.
Your hands, you'll build much more. Toto brings joy and creativity. Every day's a new discovery.
Blue light. Green light. Blue light. Red line.
Push the buttons, stack the cubes, spin the tubes and make some moves. Numbers dance and colors glow. Imagination starts to grow.
Red, blue, green, and yellow.
Yay!
Every shape is fun and mellow. 1, 2, 3, let's count and play. With Toto, we
Toto
learn every
TV.
day.